Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix iOS 18 keyboard lag issue. Method 1. Reset the keyboard dictionary. Tap Settings. Tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset Keyboard Dictionary. OK, enter your passcode. Tap Reset Dictionary. Method to disable Predictive keyboard. Tap Settings. Tap General. Go down and choose Keyboard. Locate the Predictive toggle and simply turn it off. Method 3. Delete all keyboard and Ray add. Open the Settings app. Tap General. Tap Keyboard. Tap the edit icon in the top right corner. After that, you can tap the red minus button to delete the keyboard. You can delete all of them and add new keyboards. Method for Perform iOS Repair. iSunshare iOS Repair Genius is the powerful iOS system repair software, which can solve almost all iOS system issues in clicks. You can download iSunshare iOS Repair Genius from iSunshare.com. Open the software and click System Repair. Then select the Standard Mode option. OK, hit the Start button. Now connect your iPhone to the computer. Hit the next button to load device info. Your iPhone model is detected here. Click the Download button to download a firmware package. Well, now you can hit the Repair button. Finally, the iPhone system issue is repaired successfully. Your iPhone will reboot at the same time. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.